Hello, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for Desktop Engineering Magazine. What we're looking at is Solid Edge with Synchronous technology 4, the direct modeling software from Siemens PLM software. My version now contains a plugin called EcoDesigner from Triarch. This is the plugin for environmental impact calculation, like SolidWorks Sustainability Express or Inventor's Eco-Material Advisor. So let's have a look. EcoDesigner lives under the Add-in tab as a floating palette. You can dock it by clicking on the push pin at the top corner. Once you're in there, you can select the type of test or assessment you want to perform: Eco Indicator, Recipe, Tracy, and so on. After that, you can select or assign materials to your part. Chances are the design may already have predefined materials that map to EcoDesigner's materials. And the next thing you do is to specify the manufacturing method that you would like to apply to the chosen materials or part. And there is also something that is not usually found in a CAD system. That's transportation. That's an input that you enter by estimated travel distance. You pick the mode, by air, by train, by truck, and so on. Now, the energy use over the product's lifetime is a field that is applicable only if you're dealing with an appliance that takes in energy or power to operate, of course, like a washing machine or a stereo system, for instance. We're finally getting close to the end now. What you would do then is estimate the percentage of your assembly that can be recycled at the time of disposal. Essentially, after that, you've got all the parameters you would need to start calculating your environmental impact of the design, so you can start a basic analysis. Let's try, for instance, damage assessment. Now, if you change the type of test or impact calculation you're running, the corresponding result categories too will change and update immediately. The results are displayed, as you can see, in real time. One of the features available in EcoDesigner is to reduce your impact analysis into a single score. That comes in handy if you're trying to compare several versions of a design. The lower the number, the lower a design's impact is on the environment. So you really want the score to be low, not high. With Triarch's EcoDesigner, just like similar plugins for SolidWorks or Inventor, you can set a design as a baseline, then compare variations to see if the same assembly, created in different materials or delivered by an alternate transportation method, might reduce the environmental impact. Until next time, this is Kenneth Wong looking at the impact of environmental impact calculation in CAD and engineering.